To delete your Facebook account, click on this button with your profile picture on top right. And after you've clicked this, click on this gear button next to search button. And now you are in your settings and privacy page. Click see more in account center. From account center, click on this personal details here. Now inside personal details, click on this last option here that says account ownership and control. And now click on this deactivation or deletion. And finally, you'll be shown a list of accounts that you can delete. So click on your profile. And now what do you want to do? Do you want to deactivate your account temporarily, or do you want to delete your account permanently? So if you want to delete permanently, click on the second option here that says deleting your account is permanent. And if you want to just disable it temporarily, that means that everything will be back once you log in again. You can choose the first option, but we want to delete, so we will choose the second option here, that is deleting your account is permanent. Click on continue. And now it will give you a list of pages or other accounts that will also be deleted once you delete your account. Now click on continue again and give a reason why you want to delete your Facebook account. I'll just click on I no longer find Facebook useful. Click on continue and click continue again. And now it'll give you a bunch of options that you can delete, like you can deactivate your messenger, you can download your Facebook information and all that stuff. All the way scroll down and just click on continue. And finally, you'll have to enter your password. And once you enter your password, your continue button will appear, and click on this continue and your Facebook account will be deleted. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.